still haven't started the beet harvest. This time last year, we were done. October the 9th, we were done with this. But as you can tell, it's raining. It's been raining the last couple of days. We were supposed to go in this morning and work. It didn't happen. Rained all day yesterday really hard. Rained on and off today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I think Monday. So I don't know when we're going to get started now. It's going to be interesting. Still getting paid. Getting stay paid. It's turned off cool, as you can tell. Finally. So if it ever does dry up enough where they can get the tractors in the field, we can go to work. Hopefully. Soon. Because it's going to turn off cold here pretty soon. Really cold. That's about it for today. When we start harvesting the beets, I guess we'll find out. Keep calling that number we have to check in on our piling site and see when we're going to work. The 9th of October, and we still haven't harvested beets for stockpile yet. Can only do so much. It's up to Mother Nature when you do things. Hope we're out of here before it dumps a ton of snow on us. But I have nowhere to go, nowhere fast. So I'm here. Alright, take care guys, and welcome to the Beet Harvest 2021. Rain delay Beet Harvest. Alright, see you next time.